Yo, what's going on, folks, man? It's your boy Money Man coming back to you again from the set. And today, bro, he got another pair of sneakers, bro. You gotta get these out the way because we got some Apple stuff dropping and you know we gotta get into it. So, without further ado, man, let's get into these sneakers. Bruh, what do we have here? They just keep making these joints. I know, it's crazy. Why do they keep making these? Well, simply put, it's because people like me who actually like the sneaker, right? So first, it's the varsity red and white Jordan 2.3s. Why? We got the 2 and the 3 mashup. We got the 2 upper and we got the 3 mid and outsole. Yeah, it's a Frankenstein shoe. That's cool, or a fusion, whichever one you want to call it, right? We got these first earlier this year, and needless to say, some people loved them and a lot of people just didn't. Cool, I'm here for it regardless. I love the shoe. I copped it, got it for a super low price. I think I got these 50% off right after they dropped, because I believe one has had a sale. Snuck in there, got them half off. Cool, right? Then they came out with these joints simultaneously, I believe, or a couple of weeks after they dropped the varsity red ones, right? We got the black and the white. We got the sale, midsole. Yep. Cool, right? All right. They dropped some all black ones. Boy, I didn't get those because I don't need the stigma of violence around me. No, I'm just kidding. I just didn't get them because I already had a pair that I actually love, and you can tell I done wore these too, bro. These have definitely been straight to the toe. So cool. We got those two. I got these at the outlet for a decent price. All right, cool. As you see a trend here, I get these. I ain't paying. I mean, if I had to, I would pay retail for them. But the way the sneaker market is right now, all you gotta do is wait a week or two and you'll catch them on sale. Cool, right? I'm perusing the web the other day. Yeah. They dropped another colorway. But before this colorway actually came out, we had the all black ones, and then we got a all white with a gum bottom. Kind of pissed me off a little bit because it was a women's exclusive and they just didn't put it in extended sizes, which I really wish they would have, because that would have been a solid sneaker for me. That would have, I wouldn't have had to wear my SB Dunks so much when I just need to put on an all pair of white shoes to get around and do whatever, right? Cool. Really wanted that. So again, you see a trend here. We got some solid colorways. We got the varsity red and white. Can't go wrong with that. We got black and white. You definitely can't go wrong with that. And then you got all black. The violent shoe. Let me stop that stigma. Black shoes deserve love too, right? I think so. Anyway, we got the women's exclusive of the all white with the gum bottom. Bruh, I really wish they would have gave us those. I really wish they would have, but again, there's a method to their madness, I suppose. All right, so I'm perusing the other day on the web. Lo and behold, we dropped another colorway. This colorway right here is one that I can really get behind, because whenever you put this color together on a sneaker, bruh, it's gonna slap. I'm sorry. You got the university blue, bruh, with the midnight navy or obsidian, whichever one you want to call it. Yeah, perfect sneaker for me. And no, it did not come with these blue laces in there. I put those in there because I felt like it made the shoe pop just a little bit more. As you can see, it did exactly what I thought it needed to do with that joint. Bruh, you cannot go wrong with this colorway. I'm sorry. And the fact that they slapped this on a 2-3 makes it even more better for me. Cause again, you got all the elements that you had before, right? You got the midnight navy here. Cool. You have this sail midsole, and I know the age look, some people just don't like it no more, but for me, on this sneaker, I'm with it 100%. Now, the question of the day is, was this really a hit for Nike when they came up with the 2-3? Or is it just one of those fusions that's just gonna fall by the wayside and people puke every time they see it? Just a little bit in their mouth. I like to think it's the latter option. I think it's a hit because they keep coming out with them and people keep buying them despite people still talking trash about them. And for the price that the retail price that they are, I think they're $160 retail. Yeah, you got some, yeah. The materials ain't bad on these. The leather is not super stiff. It's just like legit. They took a Jordan 2 low and slapped that out, so mid and outsole on there, bruh, and they call it art. I ain't mad at it because me personally, I do believe the Jordan 2 should have looked like that. The sole should have looked like this, 100%. And I think the 2 would have got a little bit more respect than it would have. Now, call me crazy though. Had this right here been a collab or a Virgil design with some font and lettering on here that Virgil was here with a date or something like that, anything off-white-ish, this shoe would have sold the fuck out, and y'all know it. So I'm gonna need y'all to quit playing. I guess it really don't matter these days because don't really nothing sell out anyway. So unless it's something special, Travis's, some hyped SBs, yeah, don't nothing really sell out no more. But I'm cool with it because this is the way it should be. You should be able to walk your ass into a shoe store and get whatever you want when you want it. Albeit it should be some PEs and stuff like that we, and to the public, shouldn't really get, because it's not, you get what I'm saying. So drop me a comment down below, man. What do you think the next colorway is gonna be for the Jordan 2-3s? Or is this sneaker trash? You wish I just quit making them because it's just another fusion. Did you rock fusions back in the day and now you too uppity to say you even rock fusions? Because we know you did. It's cool, man. Everybody has some dub zeros. Stop it. Stop playing. Because you was there one time. That's a part of your lineage, is part of your history, your sneakerhead history. You did it. It's fine though. You can act all uppity and sedity if you want to, but we know you did. I ain't gonna lie, I did too. Apparently I still do. It's some fusions that I just ain't gonna rock though. I can't do it. But when tastefully done like these, man, it's a go, bro. I'ma get off my soapbox, bro. Drop me a like and hit that subscribe button with the notification bell, man. So you will be the first to know when we drop more content here on the set. And I'm getting these sneakers out the way, bro, because we got some Apple stuff coming in. And yeah, if you're about that M4 life, you might want to tune in. I'm your boy Money Man, bro. I'm gonna get on out of here, bro, with these 2-3s. Another Frankenstein fusion for your feet. Peace.